The Mini 5 Pro is here with a new 1-inch sensor, professional colour profiles, so you want your Mini 5 Pro footage to look the best it can do. And it will, because today I'm launching my Mini 5 Pro Cinematic LUTs, the only LUTs you're ever going to need. So these are designed for the Mini 5 Pro, and I'm using these on every single clip. I've been testing and actually creating these ever since I got my hand on this Mini 5 Pro months ago. And since then I've been tweaking them because I want to actually make these the most simplest and easiest to use LUTs that you can possibly get. So you might have heard the word LUT, and what does it actually mean? Well, it stands for lookup table. Now on photos we've had what's called presets for a number of years now, and each preset will change the look or the style, sometimes they're referred to as filters, for those photos. And on video it's exactly the same. What a LUT does, it changes that style or that look of your video clips. And each one of these LUTs that you get inside of this pack is going to give you a completely different look and theme for your Mini 5 Pro footage. And the great thing about LUTs is they take away the learning curve of color grading. Color grading for photos or videos is not easy. So if you get your video clip and you think, right, I'm going to color grade this now, and you start tweaking the highlights, the shadows, the contrast, the saturation, you go to the curves and start moving those up and down, your footage can look awful really fast. And in that situation, you're just better off just not touching that clip to start with. But if we look at that same clip again, and here what I'm going to do, I'm just going to select one of these LUTs that you get inside of this pack. I'm going to get it, drag it straight onto that clip, and look at the results. So much better, and just look how quick and simple that was. And the Mini 5 Pro has got two main colour profiles. So you've got the normal colour profile and D-Log-M. Now the normal has already had all the colour done for you, but the downside to that is in normal you're getting this very generic standard style, and most of the time it's going to be too saturated and far too sharp. And this is why D-Log-M is such a fantastic colour profile. It protects the highlights and the shadows and the saturation, but when you're recording D-Log-M and you go and play that footage back, you get this really dull, washed out, desaturated clip, and this is because you have to color grade it yourself. So rather than doing all that, learning about it, spending time doing it, this is where LUTs are fantastic because they save you so much time. They save me so much time as well. Literally every single clip that you will see for the Mini 5 Pro is all using these cinematic LUTs. But I've also included normal LUTs as well. So if you do like recording in the normal color profile and you want to actually get some different styles or looks to your footage, you can use any of the normal color profile LUTs as well on your Mini 5 Pro. Now, as mentioned, each one of these LUTs is going to give you that different style, that look, but I've created these LUTs to be super easy to use. There's no conversions needed. I've done all of that in the creating process, so you don't have to convert any footage. All you literally do is, let's say you recorded in D-Log-M, you get your D-Log-M LUT and you drag it onto your clip, and that is it. Now, one of my favorites in this pack is called the One LUT, and this is a really universal LUT which can be used in a variety of different shots and lighting conditions, and it looks absolutely brilliant. I would say out of this whole pack, that is my personal favorite one and the one I'm using the most. Now, I've also included 3 natural LUTs. So say you want to actually keep your footage looking the most natural as possible, but you want the highlights, the shadows, the saturation to be tweaked. Well, all of this is done for you. Just apply one of these natural LUTs. And then you've also got stylized LUTs like golden, which gives you this beautiful Kodak gold look on your video, or you can go for the retro look, which adds some grain and boosts the saturation for that really popular retro look that everyone is using now. And then you've also got all the classics for the Mini 5 Pro, including teal and orange, you've got cine, and a personal classic that I've been creating ever since that Mini 2, which is Set and Forget. And this again is such a universal LUT, and you can use this on any of your footage, different lighting conditions. Just drop this on, and this is going to give you a subtle enhancement in contrast and lowering those shadows. So you're going to get 20 different LUTs included in this pack, and they work on all the major video editors. Included in this as well is also a full video guide, which shows you exactly how to go and install these on your video editor, and then also how to use them, how to get the most out of them, and how to make any additional tweaks as well. So these LUTs are available right now on my website, dmprovisuals.com, and for getting this far, there's going to be a launch offer. So if you enter this code on the screen, you're going to be able to get an extra 10% off at checkout. So thank you so much for watching. If you buy these LUTs, I really appreciate it. It's the best way of supporting this channel. They're going to save you so much time. I'm using these literally every single day, so I hope you love them as much as I do. See you on the next one.